Okay, alright. Another modification for the Charger Scatpack today. I'm bringing the car to Alpha Jeep to get this installed. This is the Eibach Pro Kit. Just in case anyone's asking for the model number. That would be the model number right there. Okay, and this is what it looks like. Right, this is for the rears, and this is for the front. Instructions, you have to print them. You got to go to the Eibach website, type in the model number, and print them. So right now the Charger is sitting on 22-inch rims, 22 by 11 Ferrada FR4s, and the tires are 305 30 22, and currently sitting right like that. So if you camera focus, if you look at the wheel gap, probably about an inch of a wheel gap. Let's see, let's measure again later what that looks like after it's been lowered. I don't know why this camera doesn't want to focus, but here you go. So that's about an inch, I think, estimating, because my eyes are very bad in the morning. Right there. About an inch of a wheel gap on 305 30 22. Supposedly an inch drop, I think that's what they say on the Eibach Pros in the rear, and a 0.7 of an inch drop in front. So I measured all four corners. Looks like the wheel gap in here is also an inch or less than an inch. The biggest wheel gap is right up in the driver rear over there. It's about an inch and a half over there, close to 2. I think that's spring loaded for driver, I don't know. But that's what we're gonna do today. Stay tuned. I'll show you the installation. So it's gonna look nice. He said it's probably gonna take 2 hours to get that done. So I'm gonna get ready and go drop this car off and have some fun later on. So continue watching, and show you the before and after videos and pictures after it's lowered. So just to show that again, hopefully. That's about an inch, if you can see it clearly. A wheel gap. Hopefully that disappears. That'll be real nice. All right, see you in a bit. Got an alignment thing over at your place, Brandon?
Yeah.
Maybe I'll let him do that over there.
Take our stuff to Goodyear.
The Goodyear? Which one?
The one right there.
The one right there? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, because.
Alright, rest is on you guys. Take over? Yeah.
I'm gonna go. I'll put this so we can put the pumpkin underneath of it.
How much will these lower it? Do you know?
He said 0.7 in the front and about an inch in the back.
Okay. Perfect. Hopefully.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
That's,
these wheels are massive.
I know, right? Well, this thing never hooks, so even with this 305s, there's still, you mash the throttle, it still will.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Settle a little bit.
Yeah, probably gonna settle.
Just jump on it. Go down Glen.
And crack a rim. And crack a rim. Yeah. There you go. Yeah, oh, it lowered.
Oh yeah, it did.
Yeah, it did.
That's close.
Wow.
That's like perfect though.
Yeah, perfect. Yeah. You can barely get a finger here now.
They definitely did lower them. Now you gotta get
Camber
one.
arms.
Camber arms up the ears a little bit more.
Let's back it up a little bit
Yeah.
so you can see.
Yeah.
They'll settle more. Yeah. The more you
Yeah, it looks nice now. Yeah.
I think my front leg would hit this right here.
The higher side was this side, the driver's side. It was about 2 inches higher.
Really? It was
Yeah.
different.
This different. This side only. Yeah. Yeah, I measured it at home with a tape measure, and all 3 sides were 1 inch wheel gap, but this one was 2 inch.
Huh.
Just
And
straight.
it looks a little higher.
Yeah, even now. Yeah.
I was gonna say, yeah.
Other
Yeah.
than the other side.
The other side is so much lower.
Yeah.
See, you can fit 2 fingers in here, not barely 2 fingers in there. Yeah.
That's weird.
That's very strange.
That's how Chargers are.
Oh.
Yeah, yeah, fuel tank, yeah.
Because yeah, when it was on the lift, you could see the tank a little lower on this.
Top of the rim, you're at 3.
I love it.
Yeah.
Quarter. Yeah, you're under a little bit here. 3 and 1/8.
3 and 8. Wow, that's perfect right there.
2 1/4. You're right at 3.
I really like this.
Yeah. Like those are pretty even on the front.
Yeah,
What is it? That's the highest point.
the highest point,
And it is, what is it at? 3 and 1/4.
3 and 1/4.
Or 3 and 1/8.
Looks nice, perfect.
Hopefully it settles back down a little bit. Gives you better strength.
You're rubbing.
Yeah, we're gonna sit on it. So here you go, back home. Eibach Pro kit installed. Took them about 3 hours to install it. Here's the finished product. As you can see, if you reference earlier before we left home, I'm just gonna step on that thing. It lowered it about 1/2 inch on top of the tire, about 1/2 inch in the rear. It seems all the same all the way around. But it stands real nice. So drove it around for a couple hours. Probably gonna settle a bit more, but I don't know. But I know for a fact it's 1/2 inch settled, 1/2 inch lowered. Here was the highest wheel gap, like I said earlier, about 2 inches. So this is probably, since this is preloaded for gas, for the gas tank. So drove it for a couple hours in different kinds of roads, country roads, rural roads, highways. No issues. If you're running real hard on a big bump, there's some little bit of rubbing in the rear, but that's about it. Nothing too serious. I think it's in the fender well, but I run a 305 tire, so that's part of it. It's part of it. As you can see, the rake has been removed. from it. So somebody wants to do it and has questions, just go comment below. I'll answer it as best I can. Alpha Jeep here, Pura, did the installation, 3 hours, and they only charge like 65 bucks an hour. It's paid like $195, not so bad. They have a lift and everything, they have the proper tools. Could have done it here in the garage, but like I said, like a day like today, it's rainy and cold and all these things. Too much. But I'm pretty happy with it. You can see that again. Lowered it about 1/2 inch. Perfect. Barely see a wheel gap. Awesome. So, for anyone who wants to do this, I highly recommend doing the Eibach Pro Kit. You can install it yourself. You can have a professional do it. Either way, it works. It really does. Gives the car proper stance. So, like the video if you like it. Ask some questions, put it in the comments below, and just keep on tuning in. More as the weather gets better, we'll get some more modifications on this thing. All right, see you later.